Hello everyone, this is Sal D'Alia for Adorama TV, and this video is about two brand new microphones from Sony, the ECM-W3 and the ECM-S1. I'm gonna start from the ECM-W3, which is a kit with one 2-channel receiver and 2 transmitters. This kit is a lightweight and compact wireless microphone system. You can buy this in a 1 mic and a 2 mic kit. The 2-channel wireless microphone will be called ECM-W3. But if you're interested in the 1-channel wireless microphone, that one will be called ECM-W3S. This microphone, of course, has excellent compatibility with the alpha cameras. But you can also connect it to any other device because you have a 3.5 out. As a Sony user, of course, the best feature is the MI shoe, so you don't need any cables to connect to the side of the camera. You just plug it to the out shoe and you can start recording. On the receiver, you have the option between analog and digital. Right now, for example, I'm using the digital signal, which is very reliable. The wireless communication between the transmitter and the receiver is up to 150 meters, and it uses the latest Bluetooth technology. You have a nice signal-to-noise ratio microphone integrated into the transmitter, which enables low noise and clear audio recording. You also have noise reduction filter function that basically uses this digital signal processing to effectively remove annoying interferences. And now I'm gonna go outside and test both the low cut filter and the noise cancelling. So here we are in front of the Adorama store. It's very noisy, I cannot hear myself. There are cars, AC, people passing by. And now I'm gonna try and go to the low cut filter. Here is with the low cut filter. I think there's probably like a little bit of a difference. It's probably cleaning up a little bit of the background noise and you can hear me a little bit more, clearly compared to when it's off. But now let's go and try the noise cancelling. And here we are with the noise cancelling on. I think noise cancelling is a very powerful tool and you shouldn't use it all the time because it cuts off all the low frequencies. So the background noise is definitely toned down, but also your voice is gonna change a little bit. So if you are in a quiet environment or where the noise is not too loud, you probably wanna go with the low cut or with the filter off. But for an environment like this one right now, where I cannot hear my voice, I think noise cancelling is a great tool. And as a last test, let's do from noise cancelling on to off. And here you go. You can probably hear the noise level goes up to the roof. I still cannot hear myself, so hopefully the sound is clear enough for you. Let's go back to the studio. On the microphone, you can see you also have an attenuator function. The attenuator function eliminates low volume noise and prevents from clipping. On the microphone, you have an external microphone input jack, so you can attach any lavalier that you want. And on the receiver, you also have a 3.5, so you can use it with any camera, and a USB-C port that has a USB audio input capability. Something that I really like about this, especially as a Sony user, is that you can continuously shoot with the receiver without worrying about the battery running out, because the receiver will power from the camera. And the transmitter microphone can operate up to 6 hours on a full charge. Plus, the case is a charging case as well. So if you're on location, you can just drop in your transmitters and they will start charging. So this was the ECM-W3. Now let's test the ECM-S1. And here we are with the ECM-S1. Sony called this a streaming microphone. I think it's very versatile. You can use it, of course, for live streaming, for YouTube videos. It's definitely something that you want to use, I guess, in studio or at home, or for any desktop setup. The kit comes with a receiver with the MI shoe and also with a pop filter and a stand. This microphone has the same technology of the ECM-W3 and has the same high-quality capsule for clear voice recording. It has low intrinsic noise level. You can change pattern. You have filter functions. It's compact, lightweight. The battery is built to withstand both indoor and outdoor long hours of recording. And it's incredibly easy to operate by yourself because you have a lot of different operations right on the microphone. And if you have a home setup for podcasts or YouTube videos, you can easily detach the stand and with the quarter 20 attach it to any arm. On the back of the microphone, you have a USB-C port and a headphone jack. I'm gonna test now the volume settings and the filters of this microphone. For volume settings on the microphone, you can hear that now I'm gonna increase the volume of my voice. And now I'm gonna decrease the volume of my voice. you have a 0 to 10. So a lot of range that you can use for volume settings right on your microphone. And now of all filters, right now is off. So this is the, the cleanest that you can get. But let's try and do some low cut filter. So here, the low cut filter. So you can probably hear some of the background noise is gone and it's a little bit more clear but less warm. Now I'll switch to noise canceling. And here we are, noise canceling sound. If you have headphones, you can clearly, hear the difference between low cut and noise canceling. And now for noise canceling, I'll go back to off. And here we're back, off. Two different types of microphone for different use. Let me know which one do you prefer in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Adorama TV. I'll see you next time.